Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some snake skin nails. I seen these nails on Instagram and I immediately knew that I wanted to recreate these. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the page that I seen these nails on, so I'm just gonna put it on the screen. So right here, I'm just applying my nails. I am doing the Gel X method, and I've done Gel X on my channel multiple times, so I'm not gonna really explain it. I'm just gonna let you guys watch.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. Do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding, that's just the way we
So now I'm just sealing my cuticles, and what I do to seal the cuticles is I use my e-file to file around the cuticle area to get the nail tip thinner around that area so that it looks more seamless and natural. And then I also go in with a brush dipped in acetone and put that around the cuticle as well, because acetone melts the nail tip. For my base color, I am going to be using a black gel polish, and I did 2 coats of the black gel polish because the first coat was too thin. And the reason why the first coat was too thin is because I wanted to make sure that I wasn't being too heavy-handed with the black gel polish, because as I've said in another video, if you go in with too much black gel polish and then you go to cure it, only the top layer of it is going to cure and not the gel polish under the top layer, and it's going to cause your gel polish to wrinkle, and we don't want that. So you want to do thin coats, even if you have to do multiple of them.
But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
This is some blooming gel that I got from Shein, and blooming gel is really important in order for you to achieve the snake skin look. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some blooming gel onto the nail, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a liner brush and dip it into the brown gel polish, and then you're going to put the brown gel polish on top of the blooming gel. But make sure the blooming gel is uncured. Do not cure the blooming gel after you put it onto your nail, because if you cure it, you're not going to be able to get the blooming effect. Once you're done doing the design, you're going to put it in your nail lamp and you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. And now I'm taking some more blooming gel and putting it on top of the nail. And then I'm going to take the lighter brown and I'm going to put that in the same spots that I put the darker brown on.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale.
So any type of soap or dish detergent or anything like that, as long as you have something that can produce bubbles, you are good to go. This is what gets you the snake skin look and feel, because the nails are textured. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but yes, the nails are textured. So if you don't like textured nails, then this is not a tutorial for you. So what you're gonna do is you're going to put top coat on top of the nail, and then you're gonna take your bubbles and you're gonna lay them on top of the nail. Make sure you have enough bubbles to do it. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to put your hand into the nail lamp and cure it for 60 seconds, just like that. You don't need to wipe the bubbles off before you do it or nothing. Just put it straight into the nail lamp once you have the bubbles in the places that you want it, and then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds.
Cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex.
This is how the nail should look when it comes out. If you have any extra bubbles left on the nail after it's done curing, you can just take something and wipe it off so that your nail isn't just left wet.
That's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass.
So once I got done curing all the nails, I just added some cuticle oil, and this is how your nails should look once you're done. I hope this tutorial was helpful to anyone who wants to do these nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.